Okay, so today what we'll do is, firstly we'll take on a very short Potli case. Second, I want to very quickly go through those three or four aspects which are Lal Kitab related, so that what I told you, that I'm calling that the Char Dham. It is my word only. That is that Uch Neech wala thing. So I'm just calling it Char Dham. When I say Char Dham, just understand it. So like I said, I wanted you to practice those Char Dham on different Arbit charts. So I want you to also check this thing. What is it called? The aspects, because those are the important things. So that is the second thing we do. Then there's a very short quiz. Whoever is ready with that can answer those questions, but without looking at the book, obviously. And then that PDF which I've sent you, uska we'll check it on charts. Okay, so that's it. So should we start? Yeah. So I'm now just sharing the screen. So this is my own case, which I told you that day. So suddenly I was feeling in the lower gum. You remember around 3, 4, 5 months back, I had a similar pain, that gas cylinder ka tha. Same thing here, lower molar, something like a inflammation tha. So again, to run very quickly through it, here I didn't see any dasha, anything. So I'll show you how I did it very directly. So basically, gums comes in the second rashi, right? First is the head, second is the face. So gums obviously come in the second, but when I check, there is also bifurcation that upper gums is first house, lower gums is second house. So anyways, mine was lower gums, so second house is ho gaya. And now I'll tell you how. Don't even look at all these calculations. What came to my mind and how I saw it and how it came, I'll tell you. So basically, it was a pain and it was an inflammation. So if you remember, inflammation is Mars, and pain inflicting planet is also Mars. Correct? So I was more or less sure that it is Mars. And then if you remember, I fill up this sheet now. I always have this sheet if you remember that. But now, thanks to this KP star one, it is already there over here. So anyway, so here if you see Mars, you can see is in Aries, first Rashi, where I've shown this thing. Ek minute, huh? No, it is not coming on. Just 1 minute. If you can see here, Mars, first Rashi, right? Okay. So basically, Mars is in first Rashi over here, if you can see, and it is giving a aspect to the second house over here. And this is the new chart which has come up in KP1. So basically, here what you have got is your traditional natal planets to cusp. Natal planets to cusp, okay, which you already have in your thing. Now, this what I had requested him, and he's added is the Gochar planet to the cusp. Today, a planet is hitting which house? So if you see here, if you can see here, Mars and first house, Mars and second house are at 176 degrees. Okay. So Mars, so what I've drawn here, this red is accurate. So what I wanted to tell you is, even without doing any calculation, these small things should come to the mind. Karak Tattva. Jaws or gum, second house, because face, pain inflicting planet and inflammation planet is mostly Mars. Then this chart is more or less by heart ही रहता है वैसे. So Mars I knew was in first Rashi. So when it is here, so I didn't do the compound degree or anything over here, because now this is coming automatically, so we don't need to do all that. So 180 degrees, so here 180 degrees. So then again 30, 60, 90, 120. So third Rashi. So basically third Rashi is what? Your hand. So here I put a red dot. Okay, red dot here. And this spot, I don't know whether you can see, red color pot, was in the first Rashi in my house. So I moved and I put it here. This is the third Rashi over here. Okay. Third Rashi is where I'm sitting right now. So that is the house of occupation also. So I'm shifted here. So this I put here in the third Rashi, and literally I don't know how long it took, but like by the end of the day only it was gone. Okay. So again, there is no calculation, nothing that was done. It was direct. Have you understood?
Manish,
Huh.
I want to ask one thing. You are saying that you moved it in. So you are considering only this room as your this house because you are working over here, or the whole complete? Complete.
But good question. Because I am experimenting on both. Why I tell you? Because right since COVID started, so it's almost like 1 year. I've been in this room, I would say 90% of the time. But I was sitting there earlier. If you remember, I was sitting at the other end. I've shifted, but at least in this room, with the ये माहौल के अंदर. So I'm doing a sort of research or experimenting or case studies where I studied from the entire house and I studied from these three rooms because this this is my room. There's a toilet and then this is my thing. So this zone I've made into a separate zone and I check from both. So it's a sort of a research thing which is going on. But what you're saying is true. I see from both ends. But normally you should see it from the house. अभी मेरा situation अलग है because I'm totally into this. So I'm at my desk from the time I wake up till I go back to sleep. So this is it. Okay. So Potli, enough of that. Should we move on? Okay. Now what I want to show you once again is the I've purposely colored it in a specific color, so in some funny color, so that it registers in your head. Okay. Now in Lal Kitab, if you remember, I told you that there are three types of aspects, basic aspects: 100%, 50%, and 25%. Okay. And if you remember, I told you that the pehle ka ghar may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hit the other बाद का house, which is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You remember that? Huh? If you don't remember, I'll say again. Basically, first से sixth house तक is called पहले का घर. Okay? 7th से लेके 12th तक is called बाद का घर. And as per Lal Kitab, the arrow always starts from पहले का घर to बाद का घर, excepting two exceptions, which you will see now. Okay, so basically in this, the 100% aspect are from the first house to the 7th house. Mind the arrow proper at this thing, and 4th house to the 10th house. Okay, these are 100% aspects. I'll change the color. Then the 50% aspects are 2nd to 6th, 6th to 12th. So 2nd to 6th, pehle to pehle, that is one exception. That is one exception. 6 to 12 and 8 to 2. इसको उल्टी दृष्टि बोलते हैं, 8 to 2. Okay, so these are the 50% ones. The red one was the 100% one. Okay. Now here blue में, I'll just make it with a different blue. There's one exception which goes from 6 to the 2nd. This is only for Saturn. Okay.
Is this 50% or 100?
Sorry. This is 25%. My mistake. Let me do it all over again. Let me do it all over again. Sorry, my mistake. First 100% is this and this. Okay. 100%. Okay. Now I'm removing this. ये 100% हो गया. Now 50% is a Z, or actually it's a S, you can say, which is from here to here. That is 3rd to 11th, 3rd to 9th, and 5th to 9th. These are 50%. Is Z. This is very important. एक ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. Because there is something called सोया हुआ घर and जागा हुआ घर. So if there's a planet here and there's no planet here, then that we'll come to that later. But so these are the 50% aspects. Got it, all of you? Now the last aspect is basically the 25, which is the first exception of the Pahla to Pahla only, which is 2nd to 6th, 6 to 12, and 12 to 2nd, or 8 to 2nd, which is the ulta. So what they say basically is, I'll just change the color to make it more this thing, is if you see this is connected to this, is connected to this, and via this is connected to this. So even this is connected to this, if you can understand what I mean. So basically this house, this house, this house, and this house are connected together. So they are called the stamba of the Kundali. Okay. Now, आतापर्यंत जेवढं केलंय ना, त्याच्याबद्दल till now whatever we have done, if you see, there is one square which happens like this. This is 100%. There is one square, a rectangle which happens like this, which is the 50%. You just see your chart, you'll realize. Because what you're doing is from here to here there's a hit, from here to here there's a hit, and from here to here there's a hit. So if you see, there is another rectangle which is formed, which is the 50%. And the third one, if you remember what I showed you, the stump, that is this rectangle which is formed, which is the 25%. So if I were to change the color, just generally to make it easier. See, हे कळलं? So बंद मुठ्ठी म्हणतात, मधलं जे केंद्र आहे, that is called बंद मुठ्ठी. So 1, 4, 7, 10, which is there is बंद मुठ्ठी, उसके अंदर 100%. Okay. Then you look at it as a soya हुआ, flat horizontal this thing, that is 50%, and खड़ा हुआ, that is 25%. All clear on this?
Saturn to, I'm sorry, 6 to 2 Saturn only, that is again 25%?
So yeah, that is 25 and only for Saturn. There are some additional this thing from Mercury which they have not taught, but I read it somewhere, so I'll just check on that and let you know next time. Okay, so basically what I want you to do is actually what I am doing. Okay, so what I am doing, I am sharing with you so that because I am continuously thinking of it and making it more and more difficult for myself. So that's what I'm sharing. So what I need you to do is take any random charts. Okay, you're not doing analysis. You are just understanding the layout of the chart. So just keep on taking any random charts from the net. Okay, उसमें का each house to house जाने का, each house to house में कहाँ ना कहाँ तो planet रहेगा ही. वो planet का 4 धाम का हिसाब लगा देने का कि ये planet इधर बैठा है तो उच्च है, नीचे है, पक्का है, स्वराशि है, whatever. That is one thing you have to do. Second thing is, whenever two of them are seated together, don't bother about aspects. If two of them are seated together, or three of them are seated together, or four of them are seated together, pair them up, and see whether they are making any Masnui Graha. Okay, pair them up. So Sun and Jupiter baitha, so it should come that it is Moon. Okay, Sun and Mercury baitha, so it becomes Mars Snake. Sun and Saturn baitha, so Mars Bud. So on and so forth. Okay. So that is another exercise you have to keep doing, because this is actually, if you understand this, I feel around 75% of Lal Kitab you can make out, because aage ka thing will fall into place. And now the third thing that I want you to do is these aspects. So basically the aspects which are there, no? Just randomly see that I should move कि यहाँ से यहाँ, 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 and then this. So just keep checking whether any connection is happening. Don't bother which side the arrow is going or whatever. Just see whether the connection is happening with these 4 or 5 aspects. Are you clear on that? Okay. Now, since we have done the 2 parts, I'll just quiz. I'll just ask you what I'm thinking of. I've just randomly written some this thing. Are you all ready? Okay. What we'll do is, after I ask now, I'll give you a minute. You all just note down. Suppose I give you a Masnui Graha combination and tell you which is the one. Because what happens is, we are used to thinking left to right, in the sense Sun is equal to so and so and so and so. But when we don't get it that way, no, we mostly will get these two, and then you say that this. But one more thing is, this also gets divided into this. Okay, if you understand what I'm saying. Suppose you have to remove a planet. So this guy represents these two. Isme ka maybe this fellow has to be removed, let us say. Okay. So what I'll do is, You all just note it down. Don't give the answer. Once everybody is ready, then I will ask you. And the rest of you, no, I'm giving you the liberty of looking at your paper and doing it also, because then at least it becomes habit. But those who have done their homework, please don't see the thing. Okay. So first one is Mercury plus Venus equal to, just write it down, don't give the answer. Mercury plus Venus. And whoever gives the answer, I want them to give the that pictorial thing also. Uske piche ka what we have done. Mercury plus Venus. If anyone wants to give the answer, just put the hands up. You'll have to give with the explanation, that pictorial thing. Hey, don't write the story, just write which planet it is. That is all. Rashmi, you want to give the answer? Rashmi, unmute yourself and give the answer. Rashmi, you have to unmute. Can't you unmute? You're not able to unmute? Why is that? I've given you the. Sujay, just check whether you are the host. Yeah, I'm only the host.
Yes, now I'm able to.
Okay. So, what is the Mercury plus Venus?
That is sun.
Okay, and what is the story we had made behind it to remember?
It is like the father is has, like, a person has two ladies. So Mercury is
Daughter.
Mercury plus Venus. So Venus is always the wife, and Mercury is any other lady than wife or the mother,
How I put it,
right?
son is the father. A father has two
Ah.
women in the life. One
Lady.
is the wife,
Ah.
and one is the daughter. Those are the ones who are closest to him. बाकी बुआ
Okay,
भी है तो
yes.
बाद में आती है. So basically that is
ठीक है.
so sun equal to Mercury plus Venus. Okay.
Yes.
Next one, moon equal to what plus what? Don't answer. Let everyone write. Then moon equal to what plus what? Shruti, ready?
Sun plus Jupiter earrings, gold earrings.
इसका होना चाहिए.
माँ के झुमके.
माँ के झुमके.
Sun and
माँ के
Jupiter.
झुमके.
माँ के सोने के झुमके. Because Ma is moon. That's why I want you to remember that also.
Yes.
Okay. Now last one in this Masnui wala. Saturn plus Sun. Don't answer. I have purposely put a little googly over there. Saturn plus Sun. Anyone ready? Who's not seen the book can put their hand up. Other than Rashmi and Shruti, are you all ready, or you all are looking at the book and doing the rest of you? Anyone wants to answer? Rashmi, I know knows it. Who else knows it?
Rahu.
Yes, it is S. It is SS.
Saturn plus Sun.
Sun plus Saturn, you said, na? Sun plus Saturn, right?
Is it not Rahu?
That is also Rahu.
No.
Saturn plus Sun.
Plus Sun plus Saturn is Mars, na?
Mars.
It's Mars Budh, matlab neech ka, right?
Because the effort.
SS you said. This is how we learn.
MS and SS, huh?
Mars is
Yes.
effort. So Mars takes that much time to this thing. Mars and Saturn, Shruti is this thing. Mars and Saturn is Rahu. SS and MS होता ना. Mars plus Saturn is Rahu Uch. And
MS and SS, yes.
Sun and Saturn is Rahu Neech. So that is what you're saying, is it? Sun and Saturn, Rahu Neech, you're saying?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
That is
हो राहू नीच तर बरोबर आहे आणि मी ते मार्स आहे miss.
नहीं, मार्स नहीं, नीच
नहीं बराबर है और वो राहु में भी आता है.
how maybe आता because
ना.
SS,
ना.
MS and SS. MS is Mars, Saturn is Rahu Uch, and SS stainless steel is S plus S, that is Saturn and Sun, that is Rahu Bud. Okay.
Manish, just परत सांगशील का please?
See, okay, I'll just tell you once again about that Ketu, Rahu, Ketu, Saturn. Last time maybe I was not able to get it through properly. See, Saturn, राहु एंड केतु, ये तीनों है ना, ये पापी ग्रह की टोली बोलते हैं इन लाल किताब. राहु केतु आर पाप ग्रह, and when three come together it becomes a papi ग्रह की टोली. Okay, now how you have to remember is Rahu and Ketu have uch or neech. Okay, but Shani doesn't have uch or neech, but Shani has Rahu like and Ketu like. So basically, Saturn can behave like Rahu or Saturn can behave like Ketu. Okay. So Saturn ka, what had I given you last time? That it was basically MMR was for Rahu. And for this it was क्या the Dhwaj I told you, no? You remember?
या ध्वज बीवी ने हलवा something.
बीवी हवे में ध्वज, ऐसा branding it over there. So basically, BV is what? Venus. Hava is what? Jupiter. And Dhwaj is what? Ketu. So basically, Venus plus Jupiter is Ketu like. And for Rahu like, I said my initials MMR. So it is Mars plus Mercury, Rahu like. So you have the okay. So Saturn, if you see, all of you just pay attention. Saturn, you will get all that in the notes, so don't worry about it. Saturn basically will be Rahu like. Okay, so look at it like this. This is Saturn, this is Rahu, this is Ketu. Let us say. So Saturn can be Rahu like or Ketu like. And Rahu, Ketu will be by themselves. So it will be Uch or Neech, Uch or Neech. Okay. Now, and then when we had gone to Rahu, that time Rahu, if you remember, we had said Rahu and Ketu, we had said that, no? You remember that? Ki bhul gaye, SS and MS. For Rahu, it was MS and SS. Because Rahu Loha. Rahu is Loha. Loha is either MS, which is mild,
Yes.
which is stronger, cheaper, everything. That's why usko uch diya hai. And SS is cheaper, weaker, lighter, everything. So usko neech diya tha. And for Ketu, we had said that BV, Beta or Grahan, if you remember.
BB Vedan.
So Ketu was BV is Venus,
Venus plus Saturn.
Mars.
Moon and Grahan, because Moon and Ketu चा Grahan लागतं. So Moon. So Saturn is common everywhere. So Moon and Saturn is Ketu Neech. And Venus and Saturn. Okay.
Ketu plus.
Now, regarding the Char Dham ka thing, will all of you be able to answer that? Who will be able to answer without looking first? Tell me, then I'll give them first preference and the others later. Who all can talk about a Char Dham without looking over there? Nobody? Okay. So I'll ask each one of you, because otherwise you'll never get out of the shell only. And if you can't answer, I'll give you the hint. Okay. So the first one was, 6th house ka uch kya hai? Who can answer? Put a hand up. Don't answer out of turn. If you know, put a hand up. Otherwise, I'll answer randomly. 6th house. Don't look at the chart. 6th house uch. Shruti.
Mercury.
6th house uch. 6th house. 6th house मध्ये मजा केली आणि 12 वगैरे मरायला पोहोचलं तर कोणतरी बाजूला उभं राहिलं. कोणाबरोबर मजा केली 6th हाऊस मध्ये? मीरा बरोबर मजा केली ना?
मेरा Mercury.
राहू कुठे गेला?
अच्छा राहु.
उच्च मध्ये मीरा, मर्क्युरी, राहू. ओके ओके. नाउ 11th हाऊस नीच कोण आहे? डोंट लुक एट द चार्ट. 11th हाऊस नीच. नाही दिलीप काका ऐकू येत नाही. अनम्यूट कर.
No one, na?
The niche position is blank.
Right, correct.
कोई नहीं है नीचे.
11th and 5th, uch niche is blank.
Blank.
Then 7th house का पक्का ग्रह कौन है? 7व्या घराचा.
Venus, Mercury.
Venus. Venus.
नहीं,
Venus and Mercury. में
मरकरी. तुम्हारे घर में 2 औरत रहती है, एक तुम्हारी बीवी और एक माँ समान.
Venus and Mercury.
Then तृप्ती सांग 6th हाउस मध्ये उच्च कोण आहे?
Mercury.
Mercury and Rahu.
राहू.
मीरा. You forgot.
Mercury and Rahu.
हाऊस बरोबर मर्क्युरी आणि मीरा बरोबर मजा केली. बायको आणि मुलगा नीच केलं. 12व्या घरामध्ये मरायला पोहोचलो तेव्हा बायको आणि मुलगा
Venus आणि केतू.
पळून गेली. ओके. देन सुजाता 12th हाऊस नीच. टेक अ चान्स. 12th हाऊस नीच.
Saturn.
Mira.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट. व्हेरी गुड. ऋषिकेश, यू वांट टू ट्राय 8th हाऊस पक्का घर कोणाचं आहे? 8th हाऊस. 8th हाऊस आता लक्षात कसं ठेवा सांगतो, बिकॉज एव्हरी टाइम यू मेक अ मिस्टेक जस्ट रिमेंबर 8th हाउस इज हाउस ऑफ डेथ. मर गया साला, कंफर्म्ड मर गया.
Mars and Saturn.
Mars and Saturn.
Mars and
Mars
Saturn.
and Saturn.
मर गया कंफर्म्ड Mars स्वराशि. Okay, so if you remember the story na, then you will be able to remember. Otherwise, it will take 1 year to remember this. Okay. So basically, this was as far as the quiz was concerned. Every time I'll be doing this, so that you know, जरा googly डालेंगे तो थोड़ा सा बाद में ध्यान में आ जाएगा. Okay. Now what we'll do is get all your charts. If you'll have the charts, get your charts in front of you. Again, I'm repeating. If there is anything which is of personal thing, you don't need to divulge, but you can just say yes. Or if it is too personal, don't answer. If it is regarding you, okay. If it's very personal, you don't need to tell this thing. If you want to share, you can just share, but you don't need to give details. If it's about anybody else, then please give the details so we understand. Okay. So one which we had seen last time was Mercury 6. If you remember, Mercury 6, Ketu anywhere in the chart becomes bad. Ketu 6, Mercury anywhere in the chart becomes bad, and Ketu being niche in 6, because Ketu and Venus are niche in 6, it becomes bad in this. We had done last time. Similarly, we had done Rahu and Jupiter in 12th. So Jupiter in 12th, Rahu anywhere will give a bad effect. And if Rahu is in 12th, Jupiter anywhere will give bad effect, and Rahu being niche over there will give there also. Mira, Rahu. So it will give bad. Okay, so that was last time. Now, next we had discussed about moon and the source of income.
Manish, sorry, हाँ एक बार और repeat करो ना. I'm just again writing so that I won't miss out. जो तीनों थे ना?
दो थे. So basically the thing is, in fact I had made one slide of that also. Basically the thing is Mercury and Ketu and Jupiter and Rahu. So Ketu actually follows Jupiter and Rahu follows Mercury. Okay. Should I show you that slide? That might be.
Did you also mention that it is not following Mercury? Ketu follows Jupiter.
One minute. I'll open that slide. Take a minute. Give me that.
That pace wala slide you're talking about.
No. I had made one slide. 1 minute. Let me see if I
But Mercury also follows Sun, na? Leech. Or am I getting it wrong?
See this slide which I made. So basically what I said was Ketu follows Jupiter, Rahu follows Mercury. JK, I don't know whether you know JK cement. JK cement रहता right? So Ketu follows JK. MR Manish Rangnekar. Okay. क्यों Mira पण पकड़ता है. Mira is better. Okay. So Mira, Rahu follows Mercury. Ketu follows Jupiter. What that means is Ketu and Jupiter together are very good. Rahu and Mercury together are very good. But they have been spaced out. Okay. So Rashmi, abhi dhyan do idhar. The rule basically is कैन यू सी दिस? अभी कुंडली देख रहा है इधर? कुंडली दिसता है? ओके, सो अभी इधर देखो, दिस वन, रश्मि, रश्मि, लुक हियर. रश्मि, कैन यू हियर मी? ऐकू येतं का मी बोललेलं?
हो.
Rashmi is gone blank. Okay, all of you just pay attention. Mercury over here, Ketu anywhere is bad. Okay, वैसा उल्टा Ketu over here, Mercury anywhere is bad. Last time, if you remember, Mercury Ketu. And since Ketu is niche over here, Ketu is bad in 6 also. Okay, so this was the thing. Rashmi, are you there or you're fallen out?
ती फ्रीज झाली आहे.
Achha, okay. So basically the rule was 6th house Mercury, Ketu bad anywhere. 6th house Ketu, Mercury anywhere is bad. But Ketu is also bad. Similarly, if we look at the 12th house, Jupiter and Rahu. Okay, so Jupiter and Rahu, Jupiter placed here, Rahu anywhere is bad. Rahu placed here, Jupiter anywhere is bad, and Rahu is also bad. Okay, so that was the last time ka combination. Now I will just tell you the moon ka thing. Last time we had discussed about moon and the source of income. One thing which I forgot to tell you is like Masnui Graha, there are 2 other combinations. Like if you remember moon, sun and Jupiter are maa ke kaan ke jhumke. That is also moon. Sun plus Mercury is also moon. Sun plus Mercury is what? Can somebody tell me? Sun
You
plus
had mentioned this. You had mentioned Sun plus Jupiter, Sun plus Mercury, natal moon, and Mars plus Venus.
the last time I told you, no, that. But tell me one thing, Sun plus Mercury is equal to something else also. What is that?
Mars Uch.
बरोबर, correct. आणि त्याचं लक्षात कसं ठेवायचं की if you remember the engine, Sun was first, Mercury was second, and Saturn was last. And Mars is effort. So Sun takes the least effort to reach Mercury. Who does the effort? The father does the effort. So that's why Sun. Effort because Mars, we are talking about Mars. So Sun takes the least effort to reach Mercury. So that's why Mars Uch. Sun takes the maximum energy to reach the end of the galaxy to reach Saturn. That's why Sun and Saturn, Mars Neach. Right? So basically, moon can always be the natal moon, or it can be the Sun Mercury, or it can be the maa ke jhumke, that is Jupiter and Sun. And then there's Mars and Venus. Mars and Venus. Okay. How you can remember that maybe is moon is M, Mars is M. There are the only 2 M's in the planets, and M के बीच में से V निकलता है ना. So मधुन तो चंद्र बाहर आला असं. So that's how you can remember. So M के बीच में से V. So Mars and Venus. Okay. Now I'll tell you first house में क्या क्या ये options है, and then you can relate either to yourself or to the common charts if you have. So in one, the education or the line in which you have done your education, that will be the line in which you will be doing your work. So if you have done engineering and that too, let's say civil engineering, you will be in a civil engineering line. So on and so forth. So do you have anybody like that? Let's just see. I'm also looking here. Moon in the first
Can
house.
you please pardon? I'm so sorry. Can you please pardon?
Please what?
Pardon me. I didn't hear you.
Moon in first house, the symptoms are that the education, what you have done, you will be working in the same line. So civil engineering to civil engineering. Civil engineering करेंगे mechanical क्या गया तो नहीं. That is 8th house. So do you have anybody just see and
No.
I have my friends. So she's done her nursing and she's a nurse in Ireland.
so बराबर झालं. So that is correct, right? Anyone else has got in any one of them? I'm just checking I've got around 50 of them, so it will take me 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, there is one girl, but I don't know her occupation, so I don't know that. Then, yeah, I got one more. Kalyani Savadekar was my friend from 11-12. She's done structural engineering, civil engineering and MS and all that, and she's a structural engineer. So that is also confirmed. Moon in first house. No, I have got only so many. So
Mine is the first house too.
Your moon is not first house. Your moon is fourth house. Sujata. Fourth house, no? What I have got is moon is fourth house, but yours will also work to the same thing because what you have done in education is what you are working in, no? Architecture. But are you more in architecture or are you more into teaching? Ki both. You're mute, unmute.
Not building architecture, interiors and teaching.
So that is why it is not, that's why the moon is not in the first day barobar hai. Because interiors will be in the fourth, this thing, which is correct in your case. See, if you see, your moon is in the fourth house. Fourth house is house of luxuries, interiors, home atmosphere, all that thing. Okay. So anyway, so moon first house, I had one case of that Savardekar, so that is confirmed. In this same thing, I tell you, moon first house is same line. Moon 8th house is बराबर the opposite. कि जो लाइन में तुमने education किया है उसमें तुम काम नहीं कर रहे. Okay. Basically, what that means is even if let's say you have done civil engineering and today you are in the IT engineering thing, that is 8th house. Okay. Second, this thing is that you are getting an income or something like that, or you are working with somebody in the family member के साथ. तो ऐसा कौन second house moon है क्या देखो अभी. Okay, okay, I have got one moon.
I've got.
One moon Bhakti करके मेरी friend है. So she has got moon in the second house, and she is working with her husband but mainly under the father-in-law. नहीं तो with the husband होता तो 7th house में होता. Rashmi कौन है? Who's the case?
Yes, one of my friend, and he's into the same business as was started by his father.
Okay, so ये second case हो गया. Bobby moon is also in the second house, so I don't know whether, but he said his father is not in that thing. So second house ka.
Manish, you have given us this chart, na? Moon idhar hai ye wala, so we don't have to note it down. And Manish, I missed. There was I lost my connection in between when you were writing this time, when you showed that slide ki Rahu 12 is bad, Rahu 12 Jupiter other than 12 is bad, and what was the third? I missed that.
Third में उसका paradox है.
हाँ.
Rahu in 12 anywhere is bad, and Rahu is niche in 12, so उधर भी Rahu will be bad in 12 also.
हाँ, तो वही तो लिखा है, राहु इन 12 is bad, राहु इन 12 Jupiter other than 12 is bad, और
उसका उल्टा करो ना, Jupiter in 12th is bad, Jupiter in 12 तो राहु anywhere, but Jupiter का स्व राशि का घर है, so उधर वो बुरा नहीं करेगा.
So these two only you told ना, or there was something which I missed? No.
These two only. Mercury.
Okay, ठीक है. Mercury Ketu is clear to me.
And by the way, this PDF which I've sent you, okay. What I'm going to do is every turn, no, I'm going to be adding maybe 5, 6, 7 or 8 techniques over here. So the PDF will keep increasing. तो पहले का PDF उड़ाते जाओ, नया वाला रखते जाओ, okay? And then every time we'll go through this and see at least 5 to 7 charts at least, and then you at your end can see another 10, 15, 20, whatever you want. So we don't wait.
Okay.
So now third moon is basically you have income from property, because third house, if you remember, Mars है, बराबर? Maru क्या Maru? Mars, Mercury, if you remember. Third house is the, if you remember, just all of you pay attention. Third house, if you remember, is the house of willpower and your bravery and your, you know, your basic guts. That's why Maru क्या Maru. So basically, left side Maru is your Pakka house. मरु इज द स्वराशि, एंड ऊपर नीचे याद है राहु केतु, वो टिल्टेड स्क्वायर, जो स्क्वायर को थोड़ा सा टिल्ट कर दिया तो यू गेट राहु केतु केतु राहु केतु राहु, which is second house, sixth house, ninth house and 12th house. बरोबर, वन टिल्ट किया ना उसको, सेकेंड हाउस, सिक्स्थ हाउस,
सेकंड, सिक्स, एट ना, 8 आणि 12 ना.
नहीं, नाइन्थ एंड ट्वेल्थ, राहु केतु केतु राहु.
नाइन्थ हाऊस तर राईटला येणार ना.
नाइन्थ हाउस इज जुपिटर खालती, एंड वरती वॉज केतु और नीचे वॉज राहु. नहीं है तसं? तसंच आहे, जस्ट चेक इट. बेसिकली व्हॉट आय सेड
हो,
वॉज,
वरती केतू राहू खाली ज्युपिटर आणि ज्युपिटर, बरोबर. दॅट इज 9th हाऊस, बरोबर.
So basically it was Rahu Ketu Ketu Rahu, and it was basically the square was slightly tilted, and I said Rahu Ketu का basic कारक तत्व is to कुछ तो भी उसको गड़बड़ करने का, that's why it was twisted like that. बरोबर. So that is how we got this thing. So third house, like I said, Mars is उच्च over there, sorry, पक्का घर है उधर. Mars, by the way, is property. Okay, constructed this thing, it's not constructed property is Saturn, property is this thing, so you will get money from property. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, I'll be back.
At one class na, it's difficult to catch up.
आत्ता कळतं आणि नंतर विसरायला होऊन जातं.
एक्चुअली ना एक वीक के बाद भूल चुके होते हैं. If we have you know all
You need
like
to again listen to all the
हाँ,
videos.
हाँ.
because
नाही, मध्ये मिस होतं ना, मध्ये मिस झाला की मग you lose the connection. That's what.
नहीं, but what if we have twice a week ना, भले next जो क्लास हो ना वो सिर्फ रिविजन और 15 minutes तो भी याद रहेगा, अदरवाइज तो
अभी
एक वीक में तो गायब होता है.
He's also busy, you know, he's also quite busy
हाँ.
with all his other classes.
आता असं
As it
कळतं
is,
की
he's
हा,
taking so
कळलं.
much time out for us.
I know.
Is a
आणि
big
केवढा
deal.
तो काय काय बनवतो त्याच्यामुळे
हो.
आपल्याला कळते नाही तर काही कळलं नसतं.
काही पल्ले पडणार नाही खरंच.
Frank.
आणि तो गोष्टी सांगतो ते लक्षात राहतं, मारू किंवा मरू. रश्मी आता मराठी बोलायला लागणार आहे.
Yes, I will.
मारू एंड मरू. ऋषिकेश चिंचोळकर गेले.
I don't know, today I had a lot of problems with the internet in the morning and now suddenly again it's happening.
आज ना
काहीतरी, I don't know what it is.
मी तुझ्या इथे आहे.
कुठे?
तुझ्या इथे प्रॉब्लेम आहे का?
हो, मला वाटलं तू माझ्या इथे आहेस. म्हटलं इकडे कुठे पार्ल्यात आली आहेस.
नाही.
आप where do you stay, Sujata?
I'm in Andheri.
Okay.
What about you?
काका पण पार्ल्यात राहतात ना?
Thane.
Cool.
I think me, Trupti and Shruti, Bobby, we all are in Thane, right?
ऋषिकेश.
And we all are
Oh.
close by. Rishikesh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, really? Yeah. Dilip Kaka is also in Vile Parle?
नाही, दादर,
दादर.
शिवाजी पार्क.
Okay.
आय थिंक मनीष पार्ल्यामध्ये प्रॉपर राहतो ना?
नाही, वरळी ना.
No, he's in
Worli.
Worli.
वरली. ओके.
Because I remember he calling me once, telling me that if you are at academy, then why don't you come down to my house?
ओके.
You're teaching at academy, Shruti?
Not at academy, at SID, School of Interior Design.
Okay.
I'm a full-time faculty. Are you teaching at academy?
I was.
Oh, and now?
Now only Valban Seth and SNTT, PPP, Polytechnic.
Oh,
काय शिकवते सुजाता?
I teach interior design and services and
ओके.
so you take services,
नाही.
secondary services? Okay. must be knowing Devki Balakrishnan or Hema Wadikar or Sharmishta something. No?
At BSSA?
No, at PVP. I think they look after BVOC, I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Must be. No, I don't meet them.
आवाज गेला आवाज.
I'm a visiting faculty, त्यामुळे जाते आणि पळते.
मनीष काका कुठे गेले?
आम्ही
9 वाजता भेटणार ना म्हणून त्याला मी विचारलं तर हो जरा भांडी घासतो म्हणाला. रेकॉर्डिंग होते.
Okay.
ती मनीषा कपाळावर हात मारून घेईल. कोल्हा आहे ना हा त्याचा, वुल्फ आहे ना.
Oh, Wolf.
Manish, you will have to edit because आम्ही मध्ये खूप गप्पा मारल्यात.
हो म्हणून ते ऑनच ठेवलं होतं. म्हटलं माझ्याबद्दल काय बोलतात बघायला.
हो खूप बोललो मी.
काहीतरी मनीषा कपाळ
ते बरोबर ऐकू आलं त्याला.
एवढंच ऐकायला आलं त्याला.
म्हणजे वरती ना माझी कझिन सिस्टर राहते. हा दूरची कझिन. मगाशी तेल वाटलं म्हटलं कोण एवढं आलं तर तिने येऊन काहीतरी असं दिलं पिशवी. तर ते काहीतरी हळदी कुंकू होतं वगैरे की दिस इज फॉर युअर वाईफ म्हणून. म्हटलं अरे अच्छा विश आणलं का म्हणलं. सगळीच कॅनेडे असतात ना म्हटलं. चलो लेट्स गो लेट्स स्टार्ट. रश्मी गोरखा
Please.
Yes.
Please edit.
So third house किसका है? From property or from bravery? I don't know what is bravery, but does anyone have moon in the third house?
माझं
Bravery तुझं असणार.
Oh.
So from property na. So basically, so that day what you're asking me makes sense. Ki you can earn from property. Barabar? So that is one. अजून कोणाचा? I just see whether anyone else is there. Moon third house. Okay, moon third house. तृप्तीचा आहे बरोबर. आपल्यापैकी बाकी कोणाचं नाही आहे.
You'll be checking it in the Bhavachalit, right?
No, Rashi.
Rashi.
नहीं है ना. I also don't have any cases with moon in the third house. Okay, चलो. Now moon in the fourth house is basically related to education, to vastu and property on rent, and also from mother, income from mother support म्हणतात. So fourth house अपने इसमें किसका है? Let me see. Fourth house.
Mother rent and
Mother.
Vastu.
Vastu. Sujata, your moon is in the fourth house, and Mars is also in the fourth house. So Mars also is, like I said, property, and moon is also this thing, and fourth house is also a house of interiors and luxury and all that. So in that, your this thing is coming correct.
So Mars is also income from father, property, father's property.
Why father? Fourth house is mother, no?
हाँ.
So mother का कुछ जायदाद रहे.
Okay, ठीक है. But Mars has nothing to do with father, ना? It's
Brother.
So fatherly figure is
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Sun, Jupiter. So moon in fourth, मेरे इसमें कोई और नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. I'll just check one minute. तो कोई रेंट बिल्ड पे देता होगा. तुझा रेंट वरती काय असतं सुजाता? Do you have any property on rent or anything? Sujata? No. Okay. Anyway. Now fifth house is the house of mainly children, but children we are not still old enough that our children will be looking after that. But consultations and share market. So any one of you just see if you
The fourth, in the fourth?
Fifth. I can see it in the chart of my son. So that's too young.
Even my son has got fifth house this thing. But my son, I can say in the hobby because all this is architecture man or whatever, that is his hobby. So he's earning from that. Your son is quite young, so you up
Yes. But then is there a way, like say for example, we are doing it for medical astrology, if someone is not well, we can suggest. So can we do something for the career that this kind of a career is going to be good? Is there a way?
Is there basically that shows that there is a stream over there, no, which can be your income. Suppose that person is doing some other this thing, धड़पड़ रहा है, so you can always say by this line, it might get you income. Okay.
Okay.
Now sixth work is basically sixth house is the house of job. Mine and Shruti basically job, commission work or printing work. Now job, frankly speaking, teaching is not my full-time job, but chalo, that is one stream of that. Printing, I can say, because since I'm in art and all these prints and all take place, so maybe that can be printing. Commission work, I've never done any commission work, so I don't know. So Shruti, other than job is your main primary thing. Shruti?
कमिशन वर्क पण म्हणू शकतोय आपण, कारण इन्शुरन्सेस करतो त्याचे कमिशन तर
हाँ ऋषिकेश तुझं काय?
एक चार्ट आहे माझ्याकडे, 6th house moon, but that lady is into teaching.
हाँ, तो teaching is a job.
हाँ.
Like even माझं पण job is
टीचिंग, आय एम ऑल्सो इनटू टीचिंग, नो?
Okay.
job है. Shruti and I are in the same. Now 7th house, there are two things. One is either you
Fifth, sorry Manish to interrupt. Fifth is also shares, you said.
Fifth is short-term investment like share market.
Okay.
12th is a long-term investment like property and all that. Now,
And sixth is a job and something else you said.
commission work and printing.
I'm so sorry. You said 12th house moon is a long-term investment.
No,
हाँ.
I said
Property and all.
Acha, that way, huh? Yeah. Come from long-term investment. Where were we? So 7th house, you have income from your husband or along with your husband. It can also mean income from business. And main thing is increase in prosperity after marriage. So just check anyone kiska hai kya. My wife's is
माझा आहे मनीष.
हो तुझं 7th मून आहे, प्रीतीबेनचं पण 7th मून आहे. तर तुझ्या लग्नाच्या नंतर तुझं कामामध्ये
Then I have.
तुझं दिलीप काका तुझ्या लग्नाच्या नंतर did you find any more prosperity in your life? कसं म्हटलं जातं?
Yes. Number of projects वाढले.
Okay, so this is correct in your case. Rashmi, your this thing is also.
No, मुझे नहीं हो रहा है. See, I'm moon now. Before marriage, my work was too good. Then you said work with the husband. No, that doesn't apply.
Yeah.
And business. Yes, interior is business only. But rest too is not valid.
If after marriage your money has not increased, you're married the wrong person. Please reconsider.
So now what can be done? What's the solution?
तू गलत आदमी निकल जा. शादी के बाद में कुछ नहीं होगा.
ठीक है.
दूसरा चीज है
ठीक है.
ऐसे लिव इन रिलेशन टाइप ऐसा because you are जरा फटके होंगे नहीं ना. Okay, so anyway,
क्या?
so तेरी शादी हुई तो ऐसे ही तुम लोग रहे. YouTube, okay? You will start getting marriage proposal from tomorrow. मैं करके मैं ऐसे मैं कर लेता हूँ.
ठीक है.
Okay. So Jupiter 7th house, Preeti Ben is also there and Dilip Kaka is also there. Preeti Ben, I remember that yeah, after she got married, her husband and all they had big factories and all that, and she was working along with him also. So in her case also it is correct. Now, 8th house, there are three things like ध्यान में रखो. One, like I told you, it is exactly opposite of first. So here the education that you have done, उसका और तुम्हारा line of business will be different. Even if it is two streams of engineering, it is going to be different. That is one. Second thing in 8th one is parental property. And third one is income from astrology. So these are the three things. So just see moon 8th किसका है क्या अभी. My middle sister का moon is in the 8th house, but parental property का भी कुछ नहीं. Money spent on education, and this, she is a writer now, but she had done her MA in English literature, so that is also correct. Astrology का उसका कुछ संबंध ही नहीं, so I don't know. Unless she is also a life coach now in Australia, so her writing is comparatively less, so maybe that can be considered. I don't know. Let's see any more. तुम लोगों का किसके पास है moon in 8?
है मेरे पास.
हाँ, कौन है?
माझ्याकडे
काय आहे माणूस तो?
हां 8th हाऊस मध्ये मून आहे.
तुझा आहे स्वतःचा?
माझा नाही, रिलेटिव्ह.
So without giving the name, tell who he or she is and what that person is doing.
वर्किंग बिझनेस आहे.
No. But how is the income? Income from what? From what he has learned and what he is doing.
No. Other. What he has learned, he is not doing that. Other thing is. Yeah.
So correct. So chalo that. Now 9th is basically from dharma, any religious activities or from the father. We're working with the father or money from the father. किसका moon 9th house में है तुम्हारे charts में देखो जरा. मेरा एक friend है, माझा मित्राचा मित्र आहे तो केळकर म्हणून. His moon is in the 9th house and he is working with his elder brother who's much older than him, so it is father like only. So that can be considered. Moon 9th house, moon 9th house. Any one of you have got? एक और है Sandeep Dhawale. I don't know any one of you know. He's my batchmate. Sandeep Dhawale. So he has got moon in the 9th house. So his father, yes. So his father is also an architect. He's retired now, and this fellow sits in the same office at Dadar near Academy of Architecture. So that is also correct in this case. Then Netra Monik Maji, you remember that girl I told you about? उसका जब printing press होता, and then long back I said that the father had called me up, and so उसका moon is in the 9th house. And she's working with her father in the printing business. Okay. Then moon in the 9th house, और एक है इसका कुछ संबंध नहीं, मेरे को ज्यादा नहीं मालूम. ठीक है.
मनीष, मून इन द 9th हाऊस म्हणजे मोठ्या भावाबरोबर किंवा वडिलांबरोबर काम करतात असं.
Father like her father.
Or similar is moon in the 2nd house joining the family business.
Yeah.
माझ्या मुलाचं 2nd हाऊस मध्ये आहे, पण त्याला नाही करायचंय फॅमिली बिझनेस, सो अजून वेळ आहे माहिती नाही.
Second house में from family member में क्या करें, it need not be in the family business, but the father might set up something for him and then he might do something असं पण असू शकेल. So it is with the father. It need not be same business as such. 10th house is basically the karma sthan. So you learn from your karma, your efforts, your work. So किसका है moon 10th? Moon 10th मध्ये my mother's is in 10th, so she is work.
I have all types of moon in that. You remember last time I had told you?
Who you have?
No, not me, my friend. So he's got his moon in that house and combinations also of moon.
Okay.
Like Sun plus Mercury is in the same house. Sun plus Jupiter also is in the same house.
One doesn't make sense. एक है तो एक one.
moon आहे.
What does
माझा आहे 10th मध्ये.
He is into merchant navy.
असं में मेहनतीचं काम ना. ऋषिकेश also moon in the 10th.
But मेहनत से तो सभी का है ना.
मैन्युअल लेबर,
कर्म से तो
मैन्युअल लेबर.
नो, इट्स माय ब्रदर, मेरे ब्रदर का है, बट ही इज इन आईटी.
नहीं, it is not मैन्युअल. मैं मस्करी कर रहा था. मैं बेसिकली it is your occupation. So मैं it is,
हाँ.
you're not getting it from rent, or you're not getting it from share market, or you're not getting it from a
ओके.
मी जेवढी मेहनत करू तेवढं असं.
हा, म्हणजे see, actually everyone's moon will be there in the 10,000 in a way, because you are earning
हाँ.
your occupation, no? But
हाँ.
10th house of moon is surely not from the share market or trade market or anything like that. I mean, that person can have shares, but that might not be the main thing. Main thing is that his occupation
Okay.
is main line. Okay.
अच्छा. और
Manish,
एक
to
चीज
second
मनीष,
house.
we were
हाँ, सुजाता बोल.
for all this while we were just looking for the moon, proper moon, or like sir, the Masnui Graha as well. No, I was searching only for the moon.
That's why 4 है ना moon.
Masnui I was not considering.
तो वो भी
Okay.
देखना पड़ता है. So anyway, just now we are just
Okay.
touching
ठीक है.
basics. अभी बाद
ठीक है. ठीक है.
as homework you all have to keep to see that. हाँ, Sujata, what were you saying?
No, you said in the second house it was either working with the husband or under father-in-law.
No. I said
I mean,
second house is from a family member. I said it can be anyone. 11th friend circle. So मेरा एक friend का है, very close friend उसका है, and he's always got work from the friend circle only. So that is the
What did you say about the 11th house moon?
friend circle. Friend circle.
काय बोलला तू?
हाँ,
नाही 11th we have not come yet.
11th is friend circle.
Yeah. अच्छा 11th is friends.
So my daughter has her moon in the 11th house.
Roughly 25-30 च्या एजच्या वरती बघायचं. लहान पिल्लांचं नाही बघायचं. You will not understand. My youngest sister has got that, but I don't think she has ever done any work with friends. I don't know. माझा एक मित्र आहे त्याचा आहे, तर I know he is surely getting all works from there. 12th house is basically related to hospital work or foreign settlement issues, or basically your this thing, what is it called, investments, as in bigger investments like property and all that sort of thing. इसका है moon 12th.
Because क्या हुआ?
No. No.
You said hospital work, you said bigger investments, and what did you say for 12th house?
Foreign settlement.
Foreign
Property.
settling abroad or whatever. Anyway, वो एक है.
So I have my husband's moon in the 12th house.
So investments.
मला ह्याच्यातलं काहीच वाटत नाहीये त्याचं काही.
Investment.
So he does share market, he does short term investments also. He's done bigger म्हणजे long term investments आणि long term मध्ये खूप त्यांनी कमवलेत.
Otherwise change him.
Change him ना.
You and Rashmi, you know,
आज येऊ देत त्याला घरी.
don't tell him directly.
आज ही.
12th house का निकल जाए. Okay, chalo. Now, the PDF which I've given you, if you have it in front, what is that in front of you, Shruti? Some spider came by that in front of the camera.
My daughter, she's doing something.
Okay. Now, I've given you the PDF, but I'll just read out the formula and you all check on the charts. So basically, Moon and Ketu. Okay. And 1 minute, all of you have to understand when we talk of the formula, na, same time we will need to brainstorm and try to understand what it means also, because then only. So basically, Moon and Ketu. Now, Moon stands for what? Mother, water, education, money, milk. Okay, all that. So basically, Moon and Ketu. Ketu is a break. Okay. So Moon plus Ketu, like I've written here, break in education or mother का operation हो सकता है. So just check whether you know anybody with Moon and Ketu combination. No one moon Ketu. Nobody. Okay. मेरे भी पहचान में भी कोई दिख नहीं रहा moon Ketu. Now here actually we have to also understand that if there are 3 planets, the other 2 might end up becoming Ketu also. So now that becomes a little complicated. So let's not get into that. Now the next one was basically Ketu also relate to your backbone, your legs and feet. Okay. So basically if Ketu is bad anywhere in the chart as a niche, debilitated or in some bad house, that person can have backbone pain or hip pain or legs ka pain or even sugar or diabetes. So just see if anyone you know has got Ketu in the wrong house. Just check the Ketus and check where they are.
मनीष
हाँ.
माझ्याकडे एक आहे ते she has Mercury in 6th house, because of which the Ketu is giving anywhere it is giving bad result, right? Now, as rightly said by you, she has this knee problem.
But Ketu कुठे बसलाय तिचा?
First
house. Okay, so first house is also
आहे ना?
immunity and also anyway. So
बरोबर ना?
basically
What if Ketu is in the 8th house?
So 8th house is legs, no? I mean,
Legs, yeah. So my husband met with a
कमरेचा तिकडे. Where did he get hurt?
No, he met with an accident. His leg was bothering. आता ते eventually hips वर जातंय, पण hips नाही, leg.
He met with an accident. म्हणजे काय लागलं होतं का त्याला? Did he get hurt?
Hurt? His toes are amputated.
Okay. So basically, where is his Mars in his chart? Mars or
Seventh house.
Mars is 7th. And Ketu is
8th house.
okay. So 8th house Ketu, 8th house is house of accidents, 8th house is house of operations. Ketu is the karak of cut. So amputation, cut. Ketu is also the karak of feet. So feet, accidents, cut.
Yes.
Okay. So that is how it relates to that.
But is it going to be for life?
For life.
It will happen once. Meaning, हे लग्न चार्ट आहे ना?
असं नाही, हे व्हायचं असतं ते एकदाच होईल किंवा ते पूर्ण दशा पुन्हा तशी आली तर होऊ शकतं. If the entire dasha, that entire combination comes together, but it is not that if something is bad, may have full life it is bad, or if it is good, it is full life good. ऐसा नाही.
मनीष, माझं केतू 6th हाऊस मध्ये आहे.
तुझं केतू
6th हाऊस
नाही कुठे? हा, केतू 6th हाऊस आहे, म्हणजे मर्क्युरी असेल तो हे करेल. सो बेसिकली Ketu 6th house can relate to even stomach issues, or it can be liver, kidney related issues. And your Mercury is in the 9th house. Perhaps anything, any related to legs or knees problems.
नाही, लेग्स नीज किंवा बॅकबोनचा प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे, पण ब्लड शुगर आहे मला.
मग तेच म्हटलं मगाशी, शुगर अँड डायबिटीज म्हटलं. सो दॅट इज
ब्लड शुगर.
So that is Ketu bad anywhere that is there. Now, second thing, Abhi.
Ketu, Manish, Ketu in 8th house along with Shani, along with Saturn.
There's some background noise.
Ketu in 8th house along with Saturn.
So Ketu in 8th house anyway. हे कोणा तुझा आहे की कोणा दुसराच आहे कोणता?
अथर्वच आहे.
Otherwise, your son.
Yes.
Camera off झालेला आहे. Ketu in 8th house. Now 8th house is not a good house, and Ketu over there. त्याला काय लागलं होतं का कधी?
मागच्या मे मध्ये लागलं होतं त्याला, पण हाताला लागलेलं, पायाला नाही.
पण like an accident sort of. So I said 8th house is the house of accidents. Ketu is the house of my mark.
But हा
काय झालं होतं त्याला मी एक्झॅक्टली.
काच लागली होती.
सो दॅट इज त्या घरामध्ये अजून हे पण आहे का?
सॅटर्न आहे.
फक्त सॅटर्न आहे. मर्क्युरी नाही आहे तिकडे. मर्क्युरी कुठे आहे?
मर्क्युरी इज इन 10th house.
10th house. ओके. मर्क्युरी बनणारा कुठला मस्नुई ग्रह याच्या जवळपास 8th हाऊसच्या जवळ आहे. 8th हाऊस म्हणजे काय? सॅटर्न आणि काय म्हणतात तू?
केतू.
केतू. सॅटर्न आणि केतू काय बनतं का? राहू आणि केतू. राहू ओके. हे बघ 8th हाऊस मध्ये सॅटर्न आणि केतू बसलाय. ऑब्विसली सेकंड हाऊस मध्ये राहू बसलाय.
बरोबर.
राहू and Ketu basically they say makes Mercury. अरे makes Venus.
हो.
नाही त्याचं काय देणं घेणं होत नाही. पण हे तरी बरोबर येतं की 8th house is a house of accidents. ते कसं दिसतं. Okay, so okay, the next one. Should we go to the next one?
So I was asking, what if the Ketu is in the 12th house?
12th house basically will can mean any operative thing also, hospitalization or operative thing, because 12th house is a house of hospitals. 8th house is Ketu is cut. It's like or it can mean some leg la kaitari lagलेलं पण शकतो. Feet, because 12th house is feet. Ketu is again something related to cut. कोणाचं आहे तसं? See, त्याचं basically काय, one more thing I have to understand is just because it is there, it doesn't have to be that. Because if a good combination is expected by a bad planet, then that good will either reduce or not happen. Similarly, if there's something bad and is expected by a very strong positive thing, that might not happen. So far they don't get too carried away by this. That's what I'm trying to tell you. All of you get one thing very clear now. At this point of time, do not jump to conclusions. Do not jump to conclusions. Because whatever little also I know of this, I know that the permutation combination totally twist it only. मग आता तू म्हणणार ओ ह्याचं केतू 6व्या घरात आहे म्हणजे ह्याला असंच होणार. Don't get into that. Just now we are very clear about the fact that we are just trying to get our footings over here. Okay, so do not try to analyze. If something what technique I'm telling you has actually happened, okay, good. Bas, that's the end of it. त्याच्या पुढे काही डिस्कशन नको.
12th house also has something to do with foreign so Ketu, would that affect that?
Ketu basically is also sun. So sun being abroad is also Ketu 12th house. तुझं Ketu 12th आहे का?
So
माझं नाही.
So this 12th house Ketu that I was telling you, she's the one who was settled abroad.
No, but she herself is settled abroad.
Yes.
Okay. No, but Sujata's son is abroad, na?
Yeah, I think त्याचं मला वाटतं आहे 12व्या ह्याच्यात.
तिचं तर सन पण आहे 12th house मध्ये.
Ketu is your son.
नाही, it's not.
Okay, so the next one is related to 5th house. Okay, so 5th house is the house of children. Okay, so 5th house is also sun. तो सन को ग्रहण राहु करता है. ओके, एक ध्यान में रखो. And sun is daytime and Saturn is nighttime. So in a way, Saturn or Rahu will create grahan onto sun, and that is the house of child. So basically, if anyone has Saturn 5 or Rahu 5, there can be either delay in the childbirth or some problems related to childbirth. Or if Ketu is there, it could mean like a cesarean sort of a thing. That sort of operation. असं कोणाचं आहे का बघा आता. Saturn 5 or Rahu 5. Anyone in your friend circle or anybody. So if there is a delay or there is a problem in the childbirth. Problem is it could be some complication or whatever.
Saturn or Sun, na?
Saturn or Rahu. Because Rahu and Sun ग्रहण बनता है. Saturn and Sun also एक ग्रहण होता है. तो मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में
Manish, it means only Saturn or only Sun? Oh, it's Saturn or only Rahu or both?
Saturn 5 और राहु 5 और Saturn राहु दोनों 5 भी चलेगा. Then that might mean delay and some childbirth के time some complication could have happened. और delay हो सकता है.
Yes, I have got Saturn and Rahu in 5.
But your childbirth was delayed or ऐसा कुछ था?
No,
Or any
everything went.
normal?
It was a normal one. Nothing.
Second time.
Nothing I can relate to.
Second time देखेंगे.
Okay.
Okay.
अच्छा.
मैं तेरे को पहले से बोला तेरा पति गलत है. चेंज कर दो.
अच्छा. कि मेरा चार्ट गलत है.
Second time गलत है.
It's easier to change the pati, looks like.
चार्ट चेंज करने का मतलब नहीं, अभी ये चार्ट याद हो गया है, अभी पति.
वापस वो केपी स्टार वन कौन इंस्टॉल करेगा? उससे अच्छा पति बदल कर.
हाँ वही कह रही हूँ मैं भी दोबारा यही वही.
ओके सो ये सैटर्न एंड इसका कुछ किसको दिख रहा है क्या? हाँ रश्मि तेरे इसमें है सैटर्न. ओके
हाँ.
सैटर्न राहु. ओके हियर वन केस. अमोक जोगड़ेकर करके मेरे एक फ्रेंड का कजिन है. उसके 4th हाउस में अरे 5th हाउस में सैटर्न and they have not had a child for a very long time. They are trying everything, so वो नहीं हो रहा है. And just mind you, Rahu is in the 8th house. Rahu creates full confusion. तो उसका basically because of the connection, if you remember Rahu Ketu Rahu, remember that? 3rd, 6th, 8th तो उधर भी राहु ये है ना. So they have not had a children. They are not able to have child. That's the thing.
अच्छा मनीष, my chart has Sun, Saturn and Rahu है ना, and मेरे बेटे का जो है उसमें Saturn and Moon is in 5th house.
So if
Nothing related ना.
no, he is not going to deliver a child himself. So उसका कुछ problem नहीं.
No, I was concerned because Moon is there, so Moon is Ma, Moon is mother. So
तू ऐसे जरा हटके इसलिए तेरा बेटा भी हटके रहेगा तो आ जाएगा मैं माँ बनने वाला हूँ करके तो जरा शौक लगेगा. माँ तेरा बेटा माँ बनने वाला है. Okay, चल next one. Now Mars 12th house, doctor in the family.
Mars.
Yeah, my wife, I thought as my wife का Mars 12th house in her family, other than her father, everybody is a doctor. In my wife's family, na, her father is a doctor, but a PhD doctor. He is no more, but her brothers, her mother, her mama, everyone is a doctor. So Mars 12th house, doctors in your family.
Okay, I have got one chart wherein Mars is in 12th house. Nobody is doctor in the family, but then they are in the business of medical.
Medical, that's what I was going to say. Something hospital related or doctor.
Yes.
Mars is again related to surgery and operations and all that sort of thing. So wo, somebody came into the room behind you, Rashmi.
Yeah.
Mars is in 12th house. So one of my friend.
And उसने कड़ी बंद कर दिया. अभी उसके हाथ में कोयता है. रश्मि तू गई. 12वें घर में.
अभी फंस गई. अभी मैं फंस गई.
हाँ तेरे 12वें घर में कोयता है. प्लेनेट नहीं है.
अब मैं फंस गई. अभी पति भी नहीं बदल सकती.
हाँ कड़ी लगा दिया तो पति ने बदल.
उसने कड़ी लगा दिया अभी ये.
So innocent.
है ना.
ये ऐसा करेंगे तो खुल जाता है. Okay चलो last one. Moon and Venus anywhere. Acha, this might be interesting. Huh? You all don't need to check if it is true in your case or not, but you can check with your friends. Moon, Venus anywhere in the chart. Moon is what? Moon is what?
Mother.
Venus is what?
Wife.
Wife.
Together must be what? Fastbo problem. So if you're a guy, it is you and your mother-in-law. If it's you are this thing girl, then it is you and your mother-in-law. Same thing. Not
काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
मला काय माहिती?
नाही म्हणजे तसा असेल तर प्रॉब्लेम आहे काय?
हो नॉर्मली प्रॉब्लेमच असतो ना, कुठे प्रेमाचं एकदम रिश्ता असतो एवढं.
नाही, माझ्याकडे चार्ट मध्ये आहे पण मला त्यांचं चांगलं दिसतंय.
चुकीचं बघत असते ते.
सिरियसली.
बायको चुकीची असते.
दिखावे पे मत जाओ.
हा.
अरे हिला एक्सपिरियन्स आहे होते.
कोण म्हणतंय?
श्रुती.
तिचे आता मिशा फुटले तर काय कपडे ती सांगणार. नाही आय डोंट नो, मुलींना काय म्हणतात माहिती आहे, मुलांना मिशा फुटल्या आता म्हणतात, हिला काय शेंडी फुटली म्हणते. Shruti actually cannot be taken into consideration. It is some 30-35 and above. हे तर पिल्लांना असं घ्यायला अलाउड नाही. ती पिल्लू आणि तिची पिल्लू अजून पिल्लूचे पिल्लू कपाळ म्हणजे असं एवढे पाव किलो असे ते येतात ना, पाव किलो सॅशेज येतात तसे येते. तिला काय विचारणार तर कच्चा लिंबू चल आगे बढ़ो म्हणायचं. किसका है क्या मून वीनस, कोई झगड़ा बेड़ा वाले नहीं, इंटरेस्टिंग केसेस. मून एंड वीनस, मून एंड वीनस, मून एंड कोई तो भी दिखा. ऍस्ट्रॉलॉजीचं एक बरं असतं, लोकांच्या दुःखामध्ये आपल्याला खूप सुख मिळत असतं. ये मिला मिला मेरे टेक्निक बरोबर आहे. तो शिकवतो ना, तर फेलो टीचर्स ऑन वेडनेसडेज. मला असं वाटतं आगे का आदमी बोला, अरे वो ना मेरे घर में वो अंकल को कैंसर हुआ, देखो मैंने बोला था यस. अरे म्हटलं तो बिचारा मरतोय तिकडे ना, इकडे दुसरा कोई तो 3 मिसकॅरेज होएगा, 3 मिसकॅरेज. सर मेरा हुआ यस. अरे यस काय, तिच्या बिचाराच्या वाट लागली तिकडे ना, हा उड्या मारतोय.
So I have this friend of mine who's got moon and Venus in the first house.
Boy है कि girl है?
Girl.
So how is her relation with her mother-in-law?
काय नाही, ती म्हणूनच तिने डिसाईड केलं की आपण फॉरेनला सेटल होऊन जायचं, लफडीच नाही पाहिजे.
But then it might not be a very cordial relationship also with the mother-in-law.
Pardon me?
Is she married? But first of all,
Yeah, she is.
so how is a general relation with the mother-in-law? Is it just okay, काम के वास्ते?
That's what I'm saying. दिखावे पे मत जाओ types, you know. Internally there are a lot of disputes.
That is there. And where is her moon also in the 12th house?
First house.
First house. Okay.
म्हणजे कॉम्बिनेशनच पाहिजे ना.
हा, आपण एक मिनिट श्रुती, what is that girl? What is her background? What has she studied?
She's done nursing.
And what is she working as?
She's a nurse only.
So moon first house, education continues. हा, तुझं काय म्हटलं तू?
की माझ्या वाईफचं फक्त द 6th हाऊस व्हेनस, नो मून, ओनली व्हेनस. सो
तरी म्हणते
नाही भांडत तरी नाही अजून.
हो खरं, हे ह्याची गरजच नाही. साहस साठी मून आणि विनस एकत्र यायला पण नको. कुठलं ज्युपिटर आणि काहीतरी केतू आला तरी भांडते.
कुठलेही ग्रह चालतात.
पण त्यांच्यासाठी मी ग्रह नाहीये तेच खूप आहे.
माझं असणार, कारण माझं कसं ना, आय गॉट 2 यंगर सिस्टर्स आणि नॉर्मली ते असतं ना की बहू आगे तो सास और बेटा मिलके बहू को जला देते. इथे माझ्या घरामध्ये झाला सास और बहू मिलके बेटे को जलाने का म्हणजे बसलो. माझ्या बहिणी, माझी बायको आणि माझी आई म्हणून गप्पा मारत बसतो, मी असं कुत्र्याला घेऊन बाजूला बसलो असं असं आहे. त्यामुळे माय चार्ट इज टोटली उलट. माझ्या चार्ट मध्ये काही एक
But then Manish, just to be like कि इसमें यदि मून एंड वीनस साथ में नहीं है तो फिर मतलब सास और बहू का रिलेशन बहुत अच्छा होगा. So 90% charts must have this combination, especially in India.
I don't believe this.
Moon and Venus combination.
अच्छा, one more thing you have to understand. This is a little complicated. राशि 7th राशि, ये भी कॉम्बिनेशन लग जाता है. Like when you say, let's say moon in, okay, this also you can see from the occupation point of view. Moon, जसं आता माझं श्रुती तो moon in 6th house है. So moon in 6th house or moon in 6th rashi will also do. So like my first house is 6. So suppose my moon was in first house also, or there is a Masmuni Graha there also, that will also make sense. So in Lal Kitab what they say is 5th house or 5th rashi. So when you are talking of, let's say, Saturn 5, so it can mean Saturn 5th house or Saturn in 5th rashi.
कारण लाल किताब प्रमाणे फर्स्ट हाउस इज फर्स्ट राशि, नो?
Correct.
That's why maybe.
That's why suppose your rashi may, let's say 6th is your ascendant. So it can be Saturn in first house will also be Saturn 6 in a way. Or Saturn in your 6th house will also be Saturn 6. असं. So moon Venus काय कोण मिळाले नाही? ते मला मिळाले. कोण आहे? ये मून विनस मला मिळाले, मी सांगत नाही कोणाचे, मुझे पता है कौन है वो कमबख्त. ओके, माझ्या फ्रेंड सर्कल मध्ये बघतो कोण आहे का, सगळेच हसतायत, त्यामुळे काय नो वे टू फाइंड आउट हु इज द कल्प्रिट. सगळेच हसतात. कोणाची तरी सास भाऊ ते भांडण रात्री करू. I will ping the person who has got that in the chat. Okay. सास भाऊ म्हणतो. मून विनस कोण आहे इकडे? एक पण नाही झालं, असं कसं होईल? हा नाही, चाय कोणी नाही. नो मून विनस. ओके,
ते मून आणि 7वी राशी पण म्हणालास ना तू?
अशी पण होऊ शकेल. मून
माझं आहे.
तू बांधतेस?
नाही.
चेंज हर.
तृप्ती एवढी न भांडणारी बाईच बघितली नाही मी.
मग तेच तर.
नाही, पण तसं नाही. सी वन, यू आर टॉकिंग ऑफ मून इन 7th हाऊस ऑफ 7th राशी. यू आर टॉकिंग मून अँड व्हीनस टुगेदर. तसं नाही होत. भांडू नको तू.
म्हणजे मून इन 7th राशी आय एम सेइंग.
7.
हा 7 नंबर. हा.
You can be working along with your husband or you can get some income from the husband's work. असं पण होऊ शकतं.
अच्छा.
किंवा मून 7 पण धरता येईल तुला. तृप्ती, तुला म्यूट केलं मी आता बॅकग्राऊंडवर. मून 7 can mean moon is placed in the 7th house, or it can be moon is placed in the 7th rashi, wherever it is. So both will work. So ते दोन्ही कडून बघायला पाहिजे तुला. So moon 7 basically means income from the spouse or from business. असं आहे.
Moon, you said 1 minute, was increase in prosperity after marriage, right?
Increase in prosperity after marriage. So that is also there.
Can I ask you something?
Ask me.
So my moon is in the 6th house,
Correct.
but it's in the 8th rashi. Okay. So 8th house वाला जो moon आहे तो पण आपण पकडू शकतो का मग त्याच्यामध्ये?
No, moon you are trying to say from the 8th rashi, if there's any income from 8th rashi. So that can.
No. So त्याच्यामध्ये astrology आलंय ना, म्हणून विचारते. And then it says money spent on education, which I don't believe. Property from parents, I am not sure. Different education, different income, होऊ शकतं.
कसं काय म्हणजे?
हा म्हणजे see, so we have a business that runs under my name. So the different, it's not my education. Asset type.
Yeah. So that is there. So तसं पण you can see from that way also, moon and this thing. Like my moon is in the 6th house, which is the 11th rashi. 11th rashi.
Yeah, 11th rashi.
Friend
circle.
Yeah.
Aha.
I'll tell you why. Because one major component of my work is 3D rendering. We were one of the first ones in Bombay to start 3D rendering. And we have done 3,500 projects. All from whom? Architects, builders, or interior designers. ते माझे सगळे 50% are either my friends or my parents' friends. Right from Lucy Khambata and Kudianwala and all those people, right down to pass outs from last 5-6 years also. They have all been our client. So it's from friend circle. So that way also it goes. So all of you just check from that angle also. तुम लोगों का चार्ट का वो राशि का भी देख लो. I'll just see all this thing also. जो भी इधर है आपका ऋषिकेशचं मून 10th हाऊस 4th राशी आहे, बरोबर. So fourth Rashi is fourth house, which is related to luxury and pomp also. So तुझा जे business आहे that is also related to luxury items and pomp and हे त्याच्यामध्ये झालं ना तुझं म्हटलं ते.
Luxury. I went to hey na institute है ना.
But that institute is dealing in what? In that glamour world, no?
Yeah.
So glamour is fourth house, no?
Okay.
So तसं पण you can relate to that because your 10th house, मगाशीच आपण म्हणत होतो, that is from your effort. So you are earning from effort, not from any investment asset, may not like a share market or anything. Being the fourth Rashi equal to fourth house म्हटलं, that is the house of glamour. So that
Glamour.
So सगळे लोक तसे पण चेक करा स्वतःचं काय येते का. श्रुती 8th येते ना तुझं श्रुती.
We just discussed on
ऍस्ट्रोलॉजी पण नीट शिकून नंतर करण्यात कोणाला काहीतरी अड्ड्यात घालशील नाही तर कुठेतरी चुकीचं आहे तुझं बाबा. घरी जाऊन असं काहीतरी कर, झाला तो तिकडे जाऊन काहीतरी गंजावून घ्यायचं नाही. So anyway, these are the basic formulas now. So what I would suggest is हे जे PDF पाठवलेलं आहे. So you all check the PDF on various charts of known people. तुम्हाला लोकांना किती 8-10 तरी जमलेत का सगळ्यांना charts? I will manage to compile at least around 8 or 10 of them. 5. Now just keep adding to them. Like मी म्हणतो ना, I have got 55, but still I feel it is less. कारण काय one typical case won't come across in 5 or 7 cases. No, something or the other will crop up here or there. So anyway, I think तेवढंच होतं ना. Was there anything else? We had said that time बचा तो कुछ करेंगे. Something I had said. What was that? What is that I had written on the group? Time बचा. रश्मि किधर गई थी तू एकदम सडनली?
friend enmity table you said.
Enmity? हाँ, friend enmity. हाँ, friend enmity table का क्या है ना? 1 minute, I need to show you that chart, then you'll understand. I hope I can get that chart. Okay. Okay, I told you that I had found a mistake in that person this thing. So here bhi dikh raha hai. You can see this chart. I have done a little bit of cut and paste sort of thing. ये जो बड़ा वाला left को दिख रहा है ना, that is an extract of the English translation of the original Lal Kitab. So this Beni Madhav Goswami करके है, whose books I have got. These are his books. This is the most authentic translation of Lal Kitab Urdu to Hindi, and his books have been again further translated into English. So this is the English translation of it. Okay, this right hand side is another authentic extract of Lal Kitab. Okay, and this is the one, that class which is going on. Now if you see here, if you just see moon, so they read it in a little different manner. This person who had taught me sounds different. That's why I've told you just put it on hold. So basically इसका मतलब क्या है? Moon considers Venus, Saturn, Mars, Jupiter as friends. Moon considers Sun, Mercury as friends. Hey, equivalent. Okay. So if you just compare the 3 charts, just see the original Madhav Goswami ka thing shows Moon considers Venus, Saturn, Mars, Jupiter as equivalent. If you see the extract from Lal Kitab, Chandra को शुक्र, शनि, मंगल, बृहस्पति म्हणजे Venus, Saturn, Mars and Jupiter. बरोबर? शुक्र, शनि, मंगल and बृहस्पति सम म्हणजे न्यूट्रल. हे दोन सेम येतात. आता इकडे पाहिलं तर न्यूट्रल मध्ये त्यांनी सन मर्क्युरी टाकलं. ओके, जस्ट ऑब्झर्व दिस. And now if you see here, Moon considers Sun, Mercury as friends. Chandra considers Suraj or Budh as friends. आणि इकडे म्हटलं तर Jupiter, Mars, Venus हे डिंगडॉंग झालेलं आहे त्याचं. बरोबर? If you see this, see Sun, Mercury are friends. इथे Sun, Mercury are neutral.
And as per the chart that you have given us, the dot wala, as per that also the left hand side and the top.
Yeah, because I am based it on this. I am based it on the original Lal Kitab. Now this person who is teaching it is here. But the thing is, other than this, everything else is correct. So, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this, or I'll post this on the group. You all can also cross check. And the way these people are talking is slightly different. This guy, if you remember, I told you Asa Bhagaitsa. Saturn considers Jupiter as neutral. They say that Jupiter considers Saturn as neutral. Well, so there is slight confusion in this friendship enmity thing. So I have just taken a back foot. So let me see, because two people are talking two contradictory things. But in the Lal Kitab, it is written like this only. Ki, let us say Moon and Venus. No? So Moon considers Venus as a friend, but Venus considers Moon as enemy. Okay. Now 1 minute. Let us just think naturally. Venus is the wife and Moon is the mother. So mother considers daughter-in-law as a friend. Okay. But daughter-in-law considers mother-in-law as an enemy. रश्मि बराबर है? नहीं, तू अभी मदर-इन-लॉ अब तक नहीं बनी है, तो तू नहीं बोल सकती.
पर मनीष, पता है ये जो चार्ट है ना, see I have got confusion. Last time I think I had asked you. ये जब वो जो एक simplified करके दिया था, you had shared with us, right? जिसमें ऊपर sun then Mercury और वो चार्ट बना था. But इस तरीके से पढ़ने में it's very tough. I mean, this need to be understood in a simplified way. नहीं होगा ऐसे.
इसका क्या है ना? Tomorrow, I had already started on this. I had told you this, but वो बाद में रह गया था. If you remember, I told you. एक मिनट मैं बंद करता हूँ. If you remember, once I told you about Jupiter and Mercury. तो हवा है, Mercury कांच है. So कांच, Jupiter, कांच हवा को enemy बोलती है, क्योंकि हवा आ जाएगी तो ये फोड़ देगी. The glass will fall and break. So Mercury, which is glass, considers Jupiter हवा as enemy. Jupiter is saying, तू कितने भी कैसे भी खड़ा रहे, मैं तेरे को उड़ा सकता हूँ. So Jupiter says, I am equal to you. So when Jupiter is looking at, Jupiter considers Mercury as equal. Mercury considers Jupiter as enemy. So ये जैसे स्टोरी बना है ना, ऐसा 9 planets का बनाना पड़ेगा. That is all. हाँ, तृप्ति, bye bye. Good night. जाते when she had messages now that she has to go. हाँ, okay, bye bye. She could have come on the camera and done bye-bye. Not necessarily would have happy to say चिरकुट. Okay. So basically, bye-bye. तेवढंच हात आहे ते पण आयकॉन पण तेवढंच आणि तुझ्या हात पण तेवढंच आहे. त्यामुळे काय कळलं नाही आम्ही तुझा हात कुठला आणि ते कुठला. बाय, गुड नाईट, झोप. ते घड्याळ काढून भिंतीवरती लाव, वॉल क्लॉक आहे तुझ्या हातात ते. ते भिंतीवरती लाव, रात्री झोपू नको, ते वॉल क्लॉक आहे. चल बाय बाय. 30 वर्ष झाली तरी रॅगिंग सुटत नाही. रश्मि तो बीच में ऐसा कैमरा ऑफ करे, मेरे को जरा शक आ रहा है. तो कड़ी तो पहले लगाए उधर, बीच में जा रहे हैं और एवरी टाइम यू कम बैक यू आर लुकिंग डिफरेंट. सो आई एम अ लिटिल वरीड. और बाद में बोलती है पति गलत है करके. तो मुझे एग्जैक्टली कौन है तेरे रूम में वो पहले बता. अभी तेरे पति कैसे दिखता हमको मालूम नहीं. तू कोई भी उधर हैंडसम दिखा देगी तो बोलेगी मेरा पति है, तो हमको बोलना पड़ेगा पति है. नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ अलग दिखाएगी तो ओके.
I'm in the living room for office tomorrow, so he's asking me वो किधर रखा है, वो किधर रखा है, tell me वो किधर है.
It's okay.
So so they don't have a canteen now, so he has to keep one snack box, one breakfast. So he's asking me what you'll give me in breakfast, just like the way kids get ready na. So he's asking me.
कैमरा क्यों बंद करना पड़ता है वो मैं नहीं समझा. What you'll give me for breakfast में कैमरा बंद करके तो exactly क्या देने वाले?
Because I am explaining it to him ना कि अभी ऐसे से होगा, I'll do this. So I thought everybody else will get tempted ना. So
I'll do this. ऐसा हाथों करके दिखाने वाले. How you're going to do this?
Yeah, I was showing him वो वाला tutorial.
Manish, she's giving him instructions what to do.
I know.
Yes.
Karla na?
Okay. So where were we? What were we talking about? So the friendship iska tomorrow, Rashmi, what I was saying was, tomorrow I have dedicated the time where I'm going to make the entire story about a friendship and this. Before that, I wanted to be clear. So I wrote to this Bagga कि तुम्हारे इसमें ऐसा उल्टा है, कौन सा बराबर है? So he's not answered me only. I think he's only confused now. वो भी ढूंढ रहा होगा मम्मी की, mother-in-law की, wife की, कौन की क्या, तो तला झोंकने लगा. Anyway, tomorrow I'll make that story and then I'll share it with you all. So then I think it will be clear because I've done quite a bit of it. Quite a bit मैंने किया है. Like I still remember, like Mercury and Sun अगर बोलो, I told you this also. कि father considers daughter as a friend. So son considers Mercury as friend, but Mercury considers son as equal because daughter once, even when she's a little girl, she'll say, "Khana khaya kya? Ye kiya kya? Wo kiya kya?" Dadagiri. So that way, that is how I'd woven that entire story. So वो देखते हैं like moon and Mercury. Like moon is the mother, Mercury is the daughter. So how they react to each other. So basically, Mercury considers moon as a friend. Like the daughter looks up to the mother as a friend. But this is a story I've woven up. Okay, so Mercury, the moon looks at Mercury as an enemy because what? Once the daughter is born, the father is attached to the daughter only. So isko dur ho gaya. So like that, that is how I was just making up the entire story. So once my story is ready and it is confirmed, tomorrow I'll share it with you. Then वो दिमाग में रहेगा enmity. Otherwise, it is impossible to remember that pretty tabulation. If you remember, we have got that Uch, Neech, Swarashi, Pakka, Masnui Grah, वो भी उल्टा सुल्टा. And now on top of that is friendship, enmity, summer. 8 this thing into 9 planets. So 9 8s are whatever it comes to 108. 9 8s are 72.
72.
72 combinations पहले ध्यान में रखने का. उसके again permutation combination, and then we are just not talking of only 2 planets. Then 3 planets will come. Then 4 planets will come. 5 planets come together. तो वो time तो पागल ही हो जाएंगे अपन. So basically, if you know the basics right, I think we'll be able to manage this. I think I'll stop the recording because of you.